Well, sources in the Home Ministry are telling headlines today that they're likely to take a call on LG's letter. By today itself, the Home Minister might refer the LG's letter come report to the Cabinet along with the Cabinet note. Sources indicate that the Lieutenant Governor in his letter has said that the single largest party should be invited to form government, and he's also mentioned the details of how many seats the party has and which party has support from MLAs. Kamaljeet Sandhu has the details. Kamal, it all boils down to numbers. If the Home Ministry agrees to invite the largest party, the single largest party, which is the BJP in this case, and I believe this letter that you have information of does have details of support, if any, the BJP has from any quarter.
Well, LG at this point of has sent a recommendation that it wants to invite the single largest party, which is the BJP, to form the government. Remember, the president's rule is till February, but there has been criticism coming in from various parties that LG has not taken a decision whether to have a fresh election as demanded by Aam Aadmi Party, or for that matter, to continue president's rule. So in that sense, the matter has also reached the court, with Aam Aadmi Party continuing with its pursuance that there should be fresh elections, considering that no single party has the largest majority and can't have a stake. And obviously, Aam Aadmi Party lost out on that opportunity after the 49-day government.
Right.
But definitely, once this procedure has been put in place, the Home Ministry is likely to take a call today. Once that report is submitted to the Home Minister. Remember, Satish Upadhyay had earlier also met Home Minister Rajnath Singh at his residence.
Right.
The BJP is yet to take a call on whether they would want to form the government at all, or do they want to go in for a fresh mandate.
Right.
But remember, as far as the numbers are concerned, like Dr. Harshvardhan, they have lost out on the MP in that sense. So the numbers are a little less than what BJP would have wanted it to be. They would want to take the support from Shrimati Akali Dal, the JDU, as well as two other independent MLAs.
Right.
But it all boils down to the actual numbers. Will BJP able to garner the numbers? So obviously, BJP state party is also expected to go into a huddle today, and the Home Ministry is likely to take a different view. And obviously, will send back that recommendation to Rashtrapati Bhavan in a day or so.
All right, let me also bring in Maushami on this. BJP remains the single largest party after we saw the elections throw up this fractured verdict. But does it have the numbers? That really is the big question, which is why perhaps, Maushami, a cautious response a little while earlier from BJP chief Satish Upadhyay, who said they are going to analyze their position to form government only when they have an invite.
Yeah, that's right. This entire political drama is being played out accordingly. If you see BJP, it suits BJP politically to form the government in Delhi. There were indications that BJP is inclined. Satish Upadhyay obviously does not want to jump the gun by stating that his party would be interested in forming the government. So if you look at the sequence of events, it comes from the Constitutional Authority, the LG, who's authorized. He sends a letter come report to the president and states that the single largest party, BJP in this case, should be called in. And now the ball is in the Home Ministry's court, and we have got indications that the Home Minister is looking into the report and will be sending a cabinet note. And this report would be heading to the cabinet, and the Modi government is likely to take a call on this at the earliest.
Maushami and Kamaljeet, thank you very much. So hectic developments in days ahead. Thank you. We'll of course be tracking the story with you.